All right, man. Happy Tuesday evening. Give people a second to get in here. And we'll get this thing on and popping. Man, bro, I'm gonna say this now. I think tonight about to be a slow night.
Slow cooker, bro.
Like I was like, man, I don't even know how long we're gonna be on here tonight, bro.
I was thinking the same thing, bro. I'm like, yo, after the last night, the day ain't really moved much.
uh, yeah, I was just saying, and then they gonna probably save everything or save a majority of the move for NFP tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
Um, so yeah, we'll see. I mean, we'll see if we get a little something, but I don't. I was like, man, I might have to. I was gonna say look at the medals, but
Yeah, that's really messed me up because the metal is my thing during Asia. You know what I'm saying? So it's like y'all done took that away from me. They took it
yeah,
away
the props
from me.
done limited. They done limited.
And one micro, bro. Like, come on, man.
Wait, it's only one micro
I think
now.
it's two, but I'll be layering it up. I
Yeah,
gotta
yeah, yeah.
see. Let me go to the I'm in their Discord. And they sent the email.
Nah. Yeah, I think all of the major, most of the major props have limited. First of all, they you can't trade just normal minis.
Nope.
They cut that off, and then they limited it. They limit the amount of macro or micros you can do.
Yeah.
So that margin tearing their ass up, boy.
Oh, we're protecting the trader.
Nah,
Nah.
y'all protecting yourselves. Y'all protecting y'all firm. That's what that is. Traders was lighting y'all ass up.
I was seeing trades I ain't never seen before with gold.
Right. That's what that was all about. They was lighting you up, boy.
Follow
All
price.
right, bet man. We got Jay in the building. What's good, Jay? How you doing, brother? Good evening. My man said, yeah, they say y'all boys was making too much. Yes, man. They, shit. Father of Legends, they can make it 5 bands in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
They said, oh nah, we can't.
And I won't be
Can't have that.
surprised. And I won't be surprised if they didn't stop people from getting paid out too.
You said what happened?
I said I won't be surprised if they stop people from getting paid out too.
Yeah, well, apparently I heard Top Step on some new stuff. I didn't watch it, but I know Dre posted it in the chat. He'll be on in a minute, but yeah, man, they changing up all the rules, man. They switching stuff up. Um, looks like I might have to make my way over to Lucid. That's the one I've been seeing recently.
I ain't even gonna lie, bro. It's like when you move, they all got their BS, bro. I got away from Top Step. Then my funded doing the same thing, and it's a matter of time for we really some fiends though. We really you got people switching over trying to
I mean, look, you got you got to get it how you can. And I was telling Dre when he posted the thing, man, about Top Step. I said honestly, when it comes to the props, bro, what I realize is, and you said this too, which is like, bro, ain't no point in like building up no big old balance. Like build your balance up enough to where you could trade freely, take a loss, and still be good. But once you get to the point where you got enough of that buffer, take your payouts all the time.
Oh, bro,
Like
that's what I always did.
keep
Cause I
it
was
at a
always
level where you can consistently take your payouts, but you also got enough of a buffer where you can keep trading. Yeah, so it's like ain't no need to be trying to get no big old balance in that because clearly they'll take that joint away from you and have you start all over, which is crazy. Shauna said Lucid crashed today because of an overload of new users. Oh wow. The CEO had a live today and explained it. Yeah, I heard, but apparently the Top Step CEO, he didn't have a good explanation. It wasn't that great. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But with that being said, man, welcome to Late Night Leverage. I'm co-host Zay. Got my boy Quadree. Dre will be joining us in a minute. Here on our show, we trade futures live during the Asia session, as well as we talk about the market in general. So a little bit of macro stuff, earnings, all that good stuff. Try to give you a well-rounded show, as well as teaching moments. So tonight, what we have on agenda is we'll talk about any trades we might have taken throughout the day. We'll cover NFP expectations and just this week, and then that's really it, man. Like I said before, folks, it might end up being a slow night, so if people got questions or whatever. Shit, we might even take some chart requests tonight or something. Just drop them in the chat. Matter of fact, in the chat, drop who we got in the chat. Where you from? Love to hear from you guys. So yeah, man. Quadri, let me kick it off, bro. I have not taken a futures trade the past 2 days, bro.
Well, you've been chilling.
So Monday I was just crazy busy, right? I had my daughter was home, so I had to take care of her. I had some errands to run, getting all my tax stuff together. So been working with my CPA and my wife. We gotta get all the documents together. So I was just crazy busy. Mm-hmm. Today I just didn't have a setup. Like I recognized early it was going to be a choppy day, kind of a range one type of day. And, I stay away from those. So I locked out my account for the morning and I was like, all right, I'll just come back and ask them to see if I can catch something. Went to the gym. When I got back from the gym, looked, I could have taken a trade or two, but by the time I saw it, it did what it did. And then nothing was holding. So if I would have jumped in the short, the joint bounced right back up. So I would have got cut. And if I would have took the long, it went back short. So I was just like, I'm done. And then, it was a nice little short towards the end of the day. But by that point, I was like, man, I'm done, man. It is what it is. So, yeah, man, I just, every time I get close to, getting my funding back, I always go on tilt. So I say, you know what, I'm just sitting here. I'm just like, once again, if I got to do a little by little, I will. So I've been no activity these last 2 days, man. So yeah, I ain't really got much to say on that end, but how about you, brother?
Had a great day yesterday. Had a good day this morning. Really, my bias was bullish. I mean, we can look at the chart if you want to see, but
oh yeah, I can pull it up.
Let me see.
There you go.
Okay. What the
heck? By the way, we did fire long, at least on the ES.
Gotcha.
Let me see the NQ. I think NQ might have to. Yeah, NQ fire long too.
So this morning, yep. So this morning going into the open. This is a 4-hour chart. My plan was for it to. Here's a fair value gap. So literally, because we've seen, this is a breaking structure up here, we bullish momentum. I was looking for us to dip into the equilibrium before our fair value gap to take a long. So literally, when the market opened up today, okay, beat this up. Back to hold on.
So anyway, go ahead. My bad.
No, you can say something because I'm waiting for it to get to 9:30.
Okay, no, I was gonna go to the comments. So Jay was like, I'll be telling folks take their payouts for sure. U.S. broker you recommend? Shoot, I gotta find a new one. Seems like they all gonna have they all gonna have their, I don't want to say issues, but um clauses, right? So and I guess you could say issues too, but for now I do like Top Step, but that might change. I think My Funded Futures was one, but now they got some issues. It seems a lot of people are going to Lucid. You still got Tradeify. There's a few out there for sure. Austin, what's good? Austin said range one day spend a lot of mental capital. Yep, and I saved all of my mental capital, bro. I am not messing with range one, dog.
Yep.
King Brown's in the building. In Rich Society said, "What's good, crew? Today was chopped and screwed for sure. I scalped a little something from the gold micro and went to the park for a bit to keep from forcing trades. Good stuff, man. It really wasn't a lot there, man. Definitely wasn't a lot there. He said, "How you like the trial so far, Quadree?" And then we got Cozy in the building. We ain't seen Cozy in a minute. What's good, Cozy?
Cozy.
All the Wilson. What's good? What's good? What's good? Dre will be here in a few. His wife works a little bit later on Tuesday, so he'll be joining us in a few. But what's good, Cozy? R1 on my kryptonite. Me and you both, girl. I can't stand R1, dog. I get away. I just lock my account and keep it moving. But you got it back, Quadri. You could go back to your trade, brother.
All right, so yeah. Just the equilibrium down here at 25,260. So when we opened up, we immediately dropped. So when I seen this, we wicked off the P low, the P12 low, perfectly almost lined up with the equilibrium. So this is where I'm waiting to take a long. Once we broke this right here, took my long. And I literally took it to P12 high. Could have took it the previous day high, but that was being greedy for me. But and you see, we literally got there, took previous day high, and that was all she wrote. And the only trade you could have took after that for my setup, there was like a short around like 1 o'clock for me that I looked at, I missed. But I don't trade afternoon anyway.
Yeah.
But this would have been a short here.
Yep, that was the one.
And then it was, bro. That's what I was telling Dre in the chat, like on the ES, bro. So like it was even better on the ES that short, bro. I know you seen it.
It's just
here, bro. Like, when I looked, it was already down here, so I'm like, dang, that's too. I would have had to put my stop up here, but take it back down P12 low. But yeah, that was the day, man.
Yeah, choppy day, and at the same time, I was thinking about this too after the day ended. Is the VIX rule? We had Friday the VIX was down 18%. So between yesterday and today, we had an 85% chance of a down day. We didn't get it yesterday, so I came in today, like you said, I was looking for shorts, not necessarily had a bearish bias, but I was like, okay, if I'm going to take a trade, I'm looking for a short. But it just in the morning, it just was seeming real. It just didn't want to go down. So I was like, man, I'm not about to force nothing. So I just chilled, man.
Yep.
So yeah, with that being said, that was the trades for today. Shout out to Quadree. Now we go into tonight and tomorrow, bro. So tonight, I don't think we have anything as far as the calendar goes tonight. But we do have NFP tomorrow, which was delayed, right? So it was supposed to be last Friday, but due to that little brief government shutdown, they delayed it, moved it back to tomorrow. And a couple things that I'll say. Number one, I see Cozy said need that overnight to trend up. I actually think you will get that tonight, Cozy. I think we will trend up or just kind of push up all night. So I'm not necessarily looking for any shorts. We already kind of gapped up a little bit anyway after the bell. So I do think they kind of push it up. But what's going to be interesting is the actual reaction once it comes out, right? Um, that's what I. That's what I. That's what I'm thinking. She said, "Yeah." Then slap for NFP tomorrow. So that's exactly where my head is. It's we'll see if it plays out like that. But um, if we talk about expectations tomorrow, so there's a couple of things about tomorrow's NFP that I think people need to know. Number one is yes, we do get January's delayed NFP, but it's also one of those NFPs where we will get benchmark revisions, right? So this report will include the annual recalibration of the 2025 data. Right now, analysts expect a significant downward revision, potentially 60 to 70,000 jobs or more for last year, right? Which could signal that the labor market was weaker last year than originally thought, right? Yep. And if you remember last year when we got it, they revised the 2024 jobs by like 800,000 or some crazy number like that, right? So we have that, right? So not only do we get the January's numbers, we also will be getting the 2025 revision. Shout out to Gemini. The other part that they told me about tomorrow's report is the Fed March cut bar, right? So what would the report necessarily need to be like for a March cut? Pretty low odds right now. However, in order for a rate cut to happen in March or for the probability to move up, they're saying that this report would need to miss. The headline jobs will need to be below 50,000, as well as the unemployment spike up to about 4.6. So we'll see, right? I think the last point I want to just say, and then I pass it over to you, is your boy Trump already seems to be trying to front run.
Yeah, you seen that, right?
Because I saw like a little Twitter. He's like, "Yeah, the job number's gonna be good." Like what? Is he on that BS already? So, yeah, we'll see, man. But go ahead, my bad.
He talking about we're gonna have a wonderful year in the market this year. He said that.
Yeah, he loved talking the market up,
bro.
Let's see if February Tennessee plays out. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. So go up and then down, and then this will okay. So middle to back. Okay. All right. I just had to send her a message back, but So yeah, we're gonna see, bro. I think also, remember how what was it? Last show we did or show before last we talked about how February usually the weakness doesn't come until like the middle towards the end of February.
Yep.
So we kind of are approaching. Oh, Dre's here. Okay, Dre's here. So put me in, coach. What up, Dre? Dre's here. What's good? Welcome, Dre. Welcome, brother.
Going on, guys? Good evening, everybody.
Cooling, man.
Can you hear me good?
Yeah, we got
you. All right, bet.
So yeah, man. What was I? Oh yeah, so we was talking about how the weakness is middle of February into end. I do want to show something real quick, and then Dre will pass it over to you to talk about how your trading day went and all that good stuff. So one thing I'm seeing is if we look, and I'm gonna go to the SPX for this. And I want to do, is it probably the weekly? Yeah, I think it's the weekly that I want to show. Okay, so let me make this a little bit. Hopefully, y'all can see that, right? All right. So all right, first of all, let me go back to last January, February, right? So that's a 2025. So probably y'all can see this. You zoom in, make that a little bit bigger. All right, so basically you can see how January first week was down, and we got a nice little push. January ultimately ended positive, right? Then what happened is the first 2 weeks of February, it was up, but it was just choppy. I mean, and if you really look at it from that middle of January all the way to the middle of February, we didn't really go nowhere. It was really just in a range. And then about the middle of February, the 18th, we kind of made a high, reversed, and then started to sell down. And then ultimately, came Liberation Day, right? So the thing I just want to kind of point out is look at how from about say no middle of November all the way to about mid February, we was really just sideways. Market ain't really do nothing, range bound. If we go to today, dog, this is November, and we have been sideways since November. Not only that, right? Here is like that end of December, first week of January was up. We kind of pulled back mid January, pushed up to end January positive. But now here we are, first 2 weeks of February. Yeah, they green or whatever. But when we get to next week, if we ain't really like breaking out and making upward momentum, we can start to see that seasonality play out, and then we start to see that weakness the back half of February and March, like we was talking about. So I've been paying attention to that very, very closely. We just keep churning. Shout out to my chat GPT. For me, the SPX is basically like neutral. Buyers or sellers really don't have control. So, I'm really trying to ain't no trying. I am being patient. I'm more individual names, but yeah, from an index perspective, bro, this sucks. And then we have a big divergence. You got the Dow pushing new all-time highs, made it to 50K. And meanwhile, the NQ is just lagging, bro. NQ is just not doing nothing. So nice little diversion. But yeah, I just wanted to show that real quick before I pass it to Dre. So watching closely. We'll see what happens with this NFP and this CPI on Friday. Maybe that'll spark something, but who knows? Dre, what up, brother? How was your trading day, man? You love all days, so
it's my day, baby. It's what we do. Today was a beautiful day, man. Oh man.
No, it wasn't beautiful. It was just a good trading day.
It was a beautiful
like that nigga, he be killing me like it was a beautiful. No, most traders, this shit was not beautiful, bro.
He said that last week.
Last week
had a bad day. This dude that made 20 grand, man. I don't like this.
It was a beautiful day for you.
But the thing is, once you know it's range one, that's it. It's easier. It's easier because you don't have to chase. You just play your move. We get away from 9:30, and then you go from there. But let's hit it. Let's hit it. I took 4 trades today. I actually let me see. I did a right here. I got this long at what time it was? 7, 6 right here. I got long at 612. Looking for P12 previous P12 high. I didn't get the whole move because I did 27 points, and then I did like 15 more. So I was over. I over hit my targets. Like I was like, okay. And then I sat, I waited. We had some news at 8:30, I believe retail sale came out.
Yep.
So I was
Yeah.
patient. I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna trade. I'm gonna wait.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna wait because um last night we didn't do anything. Like we underspent Asia
Yep.
and underspent London. And they were contradicting. One was long true, one was short true.
Mm-hmm.
And when I see that, my mind automatic goes, all right, New York might be a range day. What I mean with that is we're gonna take both the high and the low. Because we had a 22.15 low day at that point, and like a 4.15, yeah, 4.15 higher day. Right. So we came, 6 o'clock came, we made a high at before 10, we made a high around 7 o'clock. Yep. 7 a.m. We took that high. And then we sat there waited for news. The news pushed it up to that to 8:30 came, pushed it up. We didn't take the high. So I was like, okay, what are you doing? You're not gonna phone me. So I waited. We got the new low day right here at 9:30, and then we blast off. We came to previous day high as well because we didn't take it here. We got close, but didn't take it. We took previous day high and made it there, and then we just came down, came
Yeah.
down. So I took a long, a market open. I
Mm-hmm.
took the short, a market. I took this short, targeting previous day low, previous 12 hour. I took the short, and then I got long. I got long after we. When was it? Right here. We got long. I got long right here. I saw this. P12 mid. P12 mid was around here too.
Mm-hmm.
I got long right at this candle. 950.
Mm.
950 candle. Target me in. My stop was there. I didn't take it all the way. I took like 25 points.
Yep.
Took that trade. I'm like, my mind's range one. I'm not gonna force it. Getting like I'm not gonna be Q getting we're gonna all time high. None of that. I got
Mhm.
my 25 points. I waited, and then in the afternoon, I saw this. We got away from 9:30, and I got short, and I took like 15 points. So that's all I do on range day. I don't go for crazy target, 15, 20 points, and done. I saw the sell off in the afternoon. I don't know what happened here, but I don't know what happened after 2 o'clock.
Mhm.
I stopped watching the charts. So I don't know if this means something. I don't know. We inside Tuesday range right now. We in the Tuesday range. We opened right at the lows of Tuesday range. We pushed up. I believe we triggered long Asia,
Yeah. Talking about
and
like
but
right
we
now.
not move. Huh?
Talking about right now.
Yeah, we triggered long Asia, and but we're not. It's short. We're not moving at all. Like it's I don't know. I think we
Oh
waited for
no, tonight
NFP.
about to be tonight about to
It's
be a
like
dry
yeah,
night, bro.
might about to be boring.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh shoot, alert! Bitcoin, where's that now? I see your alert.
Oh,
It's
bigger,
at 16,000.
I was back there.
bigger in the downstairs, bruh. We at 69. This is my level. That's why you see it. DCA. This is
Gotcha.
my DCA level. But where's my hold up? I'm not seeing my My Rangers. There you go. So yeah, we only moved 44 points so far. When the previous week we were moving 115, 120 points.
Yeah.
So we gotta get used to because I do believe we're gonna come back to these regular ranges.
Oh, we do, bro. We really do for that, man.
Yeah. But yeah, that was my trading yesterday. I love range day. They're my favorite. Once I knew right from 9:45. I already knew what time it was. Well, y'all saw in the chat. I put in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
First, you had the
Also,
Bulls, though. Then you
huh?
had to revise that.
Yeah.
What you
You
said?
listen, yo. At 7:30, bro, you drop your little bull running emoji.
Yeah,
As
he
soon
did.
as you tweeted that market said, "Shoot!" I
Yeah,
said, "What happened?"
yeah, yeah.
I was
I
like,
really
"Damn."
at that point I really thought we were gonna take that previous day high because we were running. I'm like, yo, what happened? What we
That
stopping
7
here?
a.m. train is what happened.
Yeah, and that shit just screw you.
I was
Yeah,
like, "Damn."
yeah, for sure.
Oh man. You
Yeah,
got Austin say he in runners long and then Q.
that's my guy.
He got long at 267, sold for at 294, holding two.
Oh damn, my boy got along real quick.
Yeah,
Jeez.
he must have he got you pretty much had to buy as soon as we as soon as that shit hit. As soon as we open, press buy.
Right. Yeah.
Uh
There's no
what's that?
retest Wednesday because we inside it both Tuesday and Sunday.
You know
Right.
what? I thought about that too because not only retest Wednesday gonna be a little weird, but it's NFP. We get an NFP tomorrow, so I was like, I think that's going to negate retest Wednesday.
Yeah, that's true. That's the only thing we got NFP tomorrow. Or we got something else.
Uh-huh. Yep.
CPI
That's
is
it.
Friday, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
But
Yep. Yep. Yep.
yeah.
We definitely pushing. Like I said, I kind of figured I think we will push all night overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then once the result come, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we that real reaction.
See, but the other part is, man, there's still some liquidity left at the highs
Mm.
on the ES that we never got, and so I kind of had this feeling that I think the market can make a push for that, and we need to get that, and then you have like an intraday reversal, and then I think the high needs to be put in during the cash session. All these highs keep getting put in during like pre-market, and then we know we'll never go back and get it, and so it's just leaving them there. So eventually, it's like, yo, we're gonna probably go up and get that joint before a true sell-off occurs. So I'm looking at it like, all right, shout out to Cozy too. You got this week is the week where I think it has to happen, and this is the perfect setup where we might get not so good. Who knows? But maybe they use the NFP and CPI as the excuse to run it up. It might be good or bad. People ain't gonna really understand because they're gonna be thinking, well, the data said this. How are we still going up? Yeah, I don't think the data is gonna matter. That's just gonna be the excuse to go get that liquidity, and then once we go get it, then maybe you can have you can pull a fast one. But I don't know, man. This rotation has been holding the market up pretty well.
Yeah. This has been key also.
What's that?
The weekly MAE MFE.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We came, we hit the 100% levels.
Yep.
Got close to 90. Well, the pullback just got us to the middle of the week right here. So
That's the
this is
open, right?
no, the green is the open. That's the Sunday open right here.
Oh, okay.
This is the mid, the weekly mid. And we touched a lot yesterday at 415 and bounce from there. So that's that bounce playing out right now.
You generate that line based on what we've traded so far, because I would assume that could
Yeah,
change. Okay.
yeah. That's from this low to this high.
Yeah, I got you.
That's that met right there. Boom.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Actually, this high. Yeah. This and that. This too. So yeah. So nice long, Austin. Also, we
Right.
talked about this before. For 15 minutes. This on a Tuesday. This been money. The last 11 Tuesday, we put the high or low right here.
Oh, he's on that first 15. Yeah.
Yep, and we did it tonight. I was busy with my girl, so I was not on it. I would have taken this long too, but I was not on it. So
Yeah, you would have, like you said, you would have had to take it in the first 15. You
yeah,
had to
yeah,
be on the computer at 6 o'clock.
yeah, yep. Even though it looked ugly, because here you got unless you this is the better entry right here. Last
Yeah,
one.
you can.
Yeah, that's the entry I missed when we got on.
Yeah. Oh, you got on. Yeah. Okay.
No, no,
Yeah.
I would have got in, but when I got on, it was already too late.
My Gary, what's up, Cody? I miss you. What's up? Yeah. She in the pack now. Let's go. Boom. Yeah. Yo, you took this long, Coach? I know you did. You been
Oh
killing
yeah,
it.
she definitely did.
Hell yeah.
She said she talked about it earlier. She was like, "Yeah, I need this thing to trend up all night." I was like, "I think you're gonna get it."
Yeah. Yeah, Austin, this is what we talked about yesterday in the morning. Well, today in the morning. This right here. This is your move. This is that move. Yep. Also, I don't know. You mentioned the bits. Say the bits been getting smoked right here. That was another reason why the range one was in my mind as well because the bits on Monday we got smoked. Yes. Then yesterday was like flat overnight. Then today was not doing nothing. So there's no.
Yeah, it's too close. It's too close to 18 for my comfort, bruh.
Hmm.
But yeah, I mean, it got cooked on Friday for sure.
Yeah, got
And,
cooked Friday. Yep.
and then yesterday it was. I mean, it kind of like it ain't really do shit the last 2 days. It ain't really been doing nothing.
Yeah, that was another reason why I was thinking range today. Yep. So yeah,
Hmm.
that's where we are right now.
Yeah, man. What is your NQ going to be able to get up to this prior month 50% or what, man?
Mm.
It's still below prior month 50%, bro.
I don't know, bro. Tomorrow might be yep and whoop. Yeah. If we get past this, then yeah, we
Yeah,
gotta
see,
get past.
that's what I don't like because we already know how that be. When they stuck up there, we usually stuck up here Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah.
Man, good thing, yeah.
That ain't a good thing.
And then what else got me a little like is look how far the YM is away from its 5 EMA and all of that. That joint is like super extended, son.
Mm-hmm.
Granted, it's leading, but I'm just like,
Yeah. Like 2022 is baby. Look, we right here. Look at this. God damn.
what? That's the YM.
Yeah, there's the 5 EMA right here.
Yeah, but
440.
see what I'm saying? That joint is super extended away, bro.
So if I measure this, It's all the way 2% up. Well, it hit 2.20%, and
Mm-hmm.
right now it's at 1.80.
Mm-hmm.
1 point. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, I don't know. NQ looking suspect, bro. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah, it is. And then Bitcoin ain't helping it either. So
Nah. So either well, we know that YM is leading to the upside and Q is leading to the downside. Who trust?
and that's what got yeah, that's what got the ES stuck in the middle.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, man. Whew,
I see.
freaking
Yo, speaking I see Hood dropped today after for the earnings. They missed
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the crypto could they missed on the crypto part. Well, the
Mm.
miss to crypto people selling whatever.
hmm
Is that what hurt their numbers or whatever?
Yeah, not enough people buying crypto, something like that. They crypto revenue.
Okay.
Yeah,
Look, I just needed to come down to 65, man.
yeah.
I'm
I
gonna
got I
fill
got
my
my alert.
order.
I got my alert right there too.
65.
Yes, sir. Come fill my order at 65.
Mm,
Actually, to be exact, it's 65 and some change. Let me see. I'll give you the exact number that I'm on.
mm.
Um,
I got a new boo.
what is it?
COP. So
COP.
that's my boo. Yeah,
Did,
man.
did you get in that one? Did you get in
Hell
that?
yeah, I got in there.
All
That's
right.
it. Right this week.
All right. Yeah, we all in that then.
I ain't like that pullback it did today.
Nah,
But my contract didn't really move much though. It's still kind of like
it was fire.
at one point CBX was green today. CBX.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, I listen. I think I'm about to. I kind of want to add some more exposure to that because the way they keeping that down, and I keep seeing the way XOM running, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be. It's only a matter of time till
Bro,
CBX is gonna fucking do it.
I was about to hit you because I'm over like all the energy. I'm over 100 now.
Yeah, energy. Well, no, I'm not
Um, I'm like,
surprised.
yo, I might hold on to these things.
Yeah, and I'm
Like,
just
figure it out. Like,
every day I keep looking at XOM, and I'm like, damn, that shit just keep going and going and going. I like, all right, bro. CBS need to come on, but they like keeping this thing pinned. But you know what? The longer they keep it pinned like that, I'm like, you know what? That just means it's coiling, and when it finally do break, it's gonna go. Um, so we'll see. Now, what I will say though, and here, let me pull this up. So, Dre, I know you mentioned COP, but see,
Mm-hmm.
this is where, man, we gotta have more eyes, or just more focus, man. This is where I'm trying to tell the community to focus because yeah, while COP is good,
Mm-hmm.
bro, it was two other energy plays that reported the same week as COP
Mm.
and went crazy. MPC,
Damn. We talk about that one too.
and we did. That's why I'm like, what the
Yeah.
wait. So MPC and where's the other one at? I think it's PSX. Yes, PSX. We talked about both of those. They both had and if I go let me go to the weeklies because now you'll be able to really see. So
Mhm.
if you go to look at that. So that was last week. It was up 9% is PSX.
Mm.
And the NPC
Damn.
had a killer. Right.
Man.
Right, Dre. That's where we should have been. Don't get me wrong. COP nice, but it ain't NPC or PSX. I was like, oh man. I was like,
Damn.
fuck, how we missed that?
Right.
So
Fuck.
but I will say along the lines of COP, I like Fang. I might check out Fang down the
Mm.
back end. It's got a pretty decent, it's been coiling. I think it just now is getting above. the April sell-off. Yep, at 161. So Fang, COP. So really, Fang and COP are the two where I feel like they got a lot. And then COP did just get a upgrade, so I still like COP and Fang. I'm like, damn, man. And then another one I kept looking at, like, bro, we should probably talk about this one too, was TPL. But then today it had a $27 day. Quality. Right. I'm like,
I don't get those plays. Like, where are these plays, man?
No, they right there. I was like, bro. So that's that. Oh, and then look, OIH.
Oh no, I don't show me that, bro.
OIH still out here busting. Got that going. Almost. It's finally. It's so close to crossing 376. So yeah, energy is so energy is popping. I do got some other energy plays. I'm gonna show them tonight. I showed them to y'all after, but I got some other gems that. Oh wow! I got some shit. I got some energy plays that anybody talk about.
Right. Let's go. I'm ready.
Huh?
I'm ready. Let's go. Hell yeah!
I'll send them to y'all. Or after the show. So,
how's that doing, MLM? Remember that last
year? Going crazy.
Wow!
Look, all time highs.
Jesus Christ!
All time highs. Them and VMC material. You know, energy and materials top 2.
Yeah. D went crazy, bro. Shit.
Yeah.
D Eric Walling. You seen Deer?
Yeah, guys, I'm buying an illegal amount of stock you all might hate. What is it, Austin? Better not be no goddamn PayPal.
Nah, no. They not on that.
I hope not. Sheesh.
They not there. No way.
He said added an unhealthy amount more to my core business. Okay, nah. We don't hate that. We don't hate that at all. You don't hate it. That's good.
You just gonna have to wait.
Actually, I forgot what happened, or I think it was some news that made it. Wasn't it like part news because Trump did something?
I don't know.
All I know is that it came back to backfill some gaps. I know that if I go down to a weekly,
yeah.
Where is that? Maybe I gotta go back to a daily.
Dang.
Yeah, it's just backfilling. It's back. So this is where news came out. This is where news came out that Warren Buffett started a position, and then it ran all the way up to here. All we've done now is come back and backfill that gap.
Yep.
So, yeah. Okay. I keep seeing people on my timeline hating on them. I'm like, bro, these are cold prices on a dividend aristocrat. Yeah, I know. I mean, you know, people are might be a little bit upset that it, you know, came all the way back to this gap fill, but like you said, it's still a blue chip stock, right? And speaking of, right, I don't know how to. Speaking of, I tell you another one that I'm like, this nigga's in the dumpster fires, but they report earnings tomorrow. It's Humana. Bruh. I low-key keep looking at this like, I wanted to see a somewhat of a turnaround, but at the same time, like, bro, we talking about a stock that's down. Where my little tool at? They getting cooked. Yeah, from all-time highs to where it's at, it's down 68%, bro. You know, this the basic form back in 2016.
Dang.
Getting almost a 10-year discount. Now I ain't buying it just yet, but I damn sure am. I was like, yo, let me. So yeah, here goes the little news right here. Humana shares fell 31% after the government. That's what the news was. The government announced a flat Medicare Advantage payment rate for 2027. Impacting other major firms like United Health, CVS Health, and all of them. So, like, Humana took a pretty big hit. UNH took a big hit. Molina Healthcare took a big hit, bro. Remember we was talking about Molina last year?
Yeah.
Dog, that joint is down to 125.
She didn't smoke.
Yeah, those healthcare days get cooked. Well, managed healthcare.
Yeah.
Let me put it really like that. Managed healthcare is getting cooked because if you go look at this chart, J&J is rocking.
Hey.
They're going crazy, yeah.
Out of here. Yeah, J&J is out of here. So it's not everything. It's definitely not everything. Again, it's a stock pickers market. So yeah. But let's go back to this futures. And we
Yes, sir.
probably ain't going anywhere.
Just moving a little bit.
Yeah. I missed my shot to go long, so I can't chase it. But I do think we're gonna drift up all night. It's gonna be a slow drift, but I do think it's gonna drift all the way till 6 a.m.
Yeah.
At minimum, it's gonna drift till 6 a.m. After that, we'll see what it do, but I definitely think it's gonna go up I think it's gonna drift all night.
Where's previous day mid on ES? I got it on NQ. I got it at 322. So I want to see that target hit tonight.
Previous day mid would be give me 1 second. It already hit it 69.81.75.
Oh damn. Okay. We hit it.
Well, it was I'm sorry, it was a tick shy.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. Previous day mid it here. I'll show it to you. So yeah, previous day mid 69.81.75. Right now the high is 69.81.5.
Gotcha. Okay.
A tick shy.
Yeah, one tick. All right.
One little tick.
Yes, sir. I want to see if we get there. What happens there? But I don't know.
The previous day mid?
Huh?
At the previous day mid?
Yeah. NQ is got real room to go. Like 24, 25 more points. So let's see what happens when we get there.
Because you say you got 322, right?
Yeah. Yep. And we are 304 right now.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. The YM is the one that kind of just.
Let's see, crack.
I don't want it to crack though. Because I mean, I don't know how. Energy might be fine, but energy is the Dow.
Yeah. No, I say it's crack like it's going crazy, but yeah.
Oh yeah. For sure. It definitely is leading the way. Leading the way.
I don't know if you in the chat traded 20 in 2022, but this shit look like 2022, bro. This market looks so much alike like 2022. When the Dow was going crazy, everybody had trend lines.
The only thing though, bro, is the ES broke down a lot faster.
Yeah.
Like in 2022, we made a high like the second or first day of January. After that, it was a fucking wrap.
Yeah.
It was over. But now it's grinding. I think also the other difference is with 22 is January was actually red in 2022. January was green this month or this year. So
yes.
On all indices.
And Q2?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It was barely positive, but it was positive for January.
Yeah, I see it.
It was positive. January, yes. All indices were positive January. The SPY was positive, QQQ was positive, the Dow was positive, Russell was positive. So I do think we will, if that's the case, right? Not only that, I think you had a positive January, and then like the first 5 days of the month was positive too. So when you had that statistic, like 92% of the time the year is going to be positive. So
yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, so I don't think it's going to be a straight line. It's definitely not going to be easy, but I do think by the end of the year, all the indices will be positive.
Oh, I agree with that.
I like that. And Q got to play catch up. You're going to get along, baby. Shit.
I think the thing about the NQ will be, I think they will start to play catch up after quarter two.
April.
Mhm.
Right?
No, after quarter two.
Oh,
So I
okay.
think it could be. I could think it could be tough sledding this whole first half of the year for the Nasdaq, where they just lag, and then once we get past the summer, they'll
Hmm.
they'll pick it up towards Q3 and Q4.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got me some Nvidia calls on Friday. Actually, 45% up right now.
What's the
Nice.
expiration?
Huh?
The expiration.
I got.
I'm surprised you didn't take profit on that big ass pop.
That ass.
I thought about it. I got my stop is at 40%, so I only down $130 on the pop. But I got August August 21st. My
Mm.
call, my contract. Where's my contract?
Hmm.
200 calls for August. Yeah. Nvidia earnings next week, right?
Yeah.
I think
Or the
so.
third week of February.
Uh, let's see,
Yeah, right there. 21st.
25th.
25th. Okay. There you go. Yeah. So let's see. If I don't get stopped, I hold it. I try
Yeah,
next.
we just gotta see how tomorrow go with this damn
Yeah, man.
data because market sell off. You getting stopped, buddy,
Yes, sir. Facts.
because they might sell. They might just sell everything.
Uh, yeah, that week was the buying right there. That weekly week.
Huh?
That weekly, yeah. That right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Only thing
You didn't
is,
swipe
bro,
the lows,
is in
which
the
I don't like. I don't like they didn't swipe those lows. I don't
Hmm.
like that.
and it's in the channel. It's
Yeah.
still
It's
in the
tough.
channel. This shit just going sideways.
I would have feel better we would have swiped those low and came back in, but let's see.
That's why I'm iffy about this whole.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, it's a lot of charts like that where they got right there, then it went back up,
Hmm.
and then that with that information that your boy Jerry told you about how they suck everybody in, and then they hit them with the tsunami,
Right, but
and
yeah,
then look, Cozy just sent me the same, basically the same shit.
yeah. What she say?
Oh,
Yeah.
look, I'm neutral, man. My thing say be neutral. I'm really not leaning one way or the other. I'm like, all right, just give me one, just give me a close that makes it more definitive. We just keep it's like we look like we about to go bullish and then we go bearish. And then once we go bearish, it's like we go back to bullish.
Man. We keep
It's
that.
just like back and forth. The only
Hmm.
part that I don't like about that is when it goes bearish, it does it like a one spell swoop where it's not a methodical breakdown. So it happens in one day and then you be like, oh, all right, we got it. And the next
Yep.
thing you know, it's so heavy that everybody tilts and then they just buy it right back up.
Yep.
And you're like,
Exactly.
oh damn.
Yeah. People get bullied with buried so quick. They're like, nope,
Yeah,
pull
it's
it back.
like yup, they pull it right back.
Back, back. Pull
They
this shit
pull it
back,
right
baby. A lot of
back
people getting money.
every time.
We can have that. Yeah. Yeah.
We got random in the chat. What's good, bro?
That's my
Slow
guy.
night. You ain't really miss. Austin was long.
You didn't miss nothing.
Kobe's long. The market is moving up. We fired long for Asia. We think we might most likely drift up all night into NFP tomorrow, and then we'll kind of see where we go from there. We talked a little bit about the market itself. talked about how energy is popping. Looked at a few names: COP, Fang. What else? Yeah.
The Bigs getting smoked.
Yeah, the Bigs. Yeah. Also said, bro, you missed Dre's gave me legal funding. Yeah, he is lying. He said, if I lose, I can blame him and say, look, Austin, there's a big little disclaimer at the bottom of the screen. This is not financial advice.
Yeah,
only, bro.
right there.
Right there on the headliner.
My boy was going in on Tapster this morning, bro. We were telling people off, bro. I was going crazy in that shit. I'm like, yo, man, stop playing.
You said where?
On when the guy from Tapster got on, Patak, Mike, whatever his name is.
Yeah. So tell me about that. Speak about that a little
bit. He didn't even know how to explain the thing. He didn't even know what to like. It's bullshit, straight up. Like, how you gonna make a person make 50K? But you cannot. You can only take 20% out of that. What about my other 80%? How about if I blow the account? Oh, that money's disappeared. I'm like, huh? Why? It made no sense. And all we're doing because of risk management, you got to learn how to manage risk. I'm like, bro, it's a live account. What are you talking about? I do what I want. It's my money. People were going crazy, bro.
I bet.
Yeah.
Well, apparently they said, Shauna told us that Lucid website crashed because they had an overwhelming influx of new users. So it definitely seems as if seems like Top Step about to lose some business.
I think so too. He lost some people today on Twitter because one guy got like crazy following. He asked him like, "Yo, this is true?" Straight up to him, and he said, "Yeah, this is correct." He goes, "Yo, I'm done."
Yeah, that's crazy.
He said, he took all profits. Like, "Yo, I canceled all my accounts. I'm done with Tapster. You lost me with this one."
Damn.
Yeah, bro, straight up. Yeah.
More cash says CME Group announced single stock futures this summer. Yeah, I heard about that too. This is getting to be a little bit too much, man. Single stock futures, you got 5x leverage, single stocks, you got 24/7 trading. What else did we say, Dre? They got what else did they launch? They got something else. Oh, the Monday and Wednesday expirations on the Mag 7, man. They doing too much, bro.
Too much leverage. Yeah.
Way too much leverage.
They got 5x leverage now. They got everything.
Yeah.
Like, bro. You talking about tell you, man, the new lottery is the stock market, bro. Just go gamble, man.
Bruh. I ain't gonna front with all this leverage. Trump's Dow 100,000 might actually be freaking possible the way they're gonna inflate all this shit.
But bro, do you think about? I believe we gonna get there with him. But do you think the aftermath for all this, bro? Like, imagine we get these levels of with everybody on margin and leverage, bro.
Great Depression all over again.
Bro, you talking about? Yeah. One of the things this year, man, I'm like, bro, I'm not touching no double leverage, no 2x leverage, nothing leverage, bro. I'm done. Everything is regular, bro. Yeah. If I ain't got it.
Yeah.
I'm going live again.
Can't be getting liquidated crazy, man.
Yeah, man. It's tough. Crazy.
And what's crazy is, we not even down much. People going crazy, bro. Like, imagine when we get 10% pullback, bro.
That's why people panic when we get 3% down. Everybody, oh my god, the war is ending. Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, because they leveraged out the yen.
Oh, could you imagine? That's why and I talked to you about this. It's so hard to like, yo, do I really want to add here because we ain't even get a real pullback yet. That's decent. What do these stock prices look like then?
That's why I'm being very cautious, bro. That's why I'm just like,
tough.
I get it. And then Mick said, same thing happened in the Great Depression. He said, jinx, right? That's what I'm saying, Mick. Like, Exactly, bro. This is exactly what happened during the Great Depression. You had the normal Joe Schmoes. This is when you was first able to start borrowing to go buy stocks. Everybody was going crazy, borrowing money, margin. They inflated the hell out of the market, and then eventually the fucking bubble popped, and you had the worst. I mean, literally, it's still the worst time in American history, Great Depression. We ain't really had nothing. I mean, I guess you could say the Great Financial, the Great Recession was kind of close, but that shit wasn't the Great Depression though. You know what I mean? So the only thing, and he just said it. He just said it. King Real said it.
Let's go.
Listen, 2029 marks the 100-year anniversary of the Great Depression. Mind you, that will be. I think that will that will be his last year in office, or he will be just getting out.
2 years now. Yeah.
I think he will be just getting out.
He got 2 more years.
I think his last year will be 2028.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how ironic. So you just said it. You talking about the aftermath when he leave.
How convenient, right?
How convenient would it be the first year he out is 2029?
Yeah.
Boom.
Everybody pulling their bread out the market. People going crazy.
Let's go. Back it up.
Yo!
Yeah, we gotta start talking about getting our own reserves somewhere else, bro. Putting that money.
I gotta find me. It's time for me to start doing research on what's gonna be the next economic powerhouse. Which country? I need to
go
there.
I gotta look into that. I gotta look at anybody looking into that Saudi Arabia market.
India. Nifty 50, bro.
Huh?
The Nifty 50.
I ain't gonna front. If I'm gonna go, I'd rather kind of go China versus India.
China got a lot of debt, bro. Too much debt.
Yeah.
Too much debt.
Ain't nothing worse than us.
Right. That's what I would say. Nobody got more debt than the United States.
But they got real estate debt. It's different.
About 40 trillion in the hole or something like that.
It's tough for them though. It's tough.
Shit, right? You saying that's what you saying? It's real estate. That ain't got nothing to do with their stock market.
Yeah, but in the population, that's another one. Tough for China. Tough, very tough.
And then you got, when it comes to India, you got you talk about market manipulation. One of the head guys of one of their stock markets just had to resign because of he got caught doing stock market manipulation.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, bro. I'm like, I don't know, cuz.
Yeah. They just a shiesty over there, you know what I'm saying? If not,
that's what I'm saying. I don't know about that, dog.
Yeah, man.
Oh, where's Hood at now? Let me see. They said Hood still keeps selling. Let me see. I'm trying to see.
Damn, I made this long, bro. Shit.
Oh, we're gonna keep. I told you it's just gonna be a slow drift, bro.
45.1. Yeah.
All right, bet. Hood is still under 80, so that's cool. I don't know if I'm gonna get my 65. I really want to get 65.
Middle of the. I don't like to be in the middle of the road, man. Not trade for me. Nope.
Yeah, right. It's yeah, that's facts. He said Asian DNP. Hell yeah.
Let's go there. Benjamin.
Benjamin.
First time I see that name in the chat.
I think he might be currently in the boot camp.
Oh,
no, that's Benjamin. Benjamin. So he's not in the boot camp. He a member of the pack.
Okay.
He might have been my class, or maybe he was. I think he might have been my class.
Ben, what's up, brother? Welcome. See. Yeah. See, last
Yeah,
book. Okay, he was
he was
with
in my
you.
class. Yeah, he was in my class.
See, what's up, brother? Yeah, yes, sir. Hey, what's up? We inside Tuesday range though, chilling.
What NQ?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Oh
ES
yeah, I'm
is.
on. Yeah, I took a long one. Yes, I forgot to say it.
What
Oh,
you
you
got?
got long?
Oh
Yeah,
damn.
I
What you
took
got?
a yes
How you? Where you get an entry at?
Yeah, yeah.
right there.
Snaky, bro. Where you at? Oh, okay. Let's
How you
go.
managed to get an entry?
What's your target? Previous limit?
I'm taking 5 points.
We already there, Drake.
Oh,
I think it's gonna go. I think
Remember?
we're gonna get.
my boy said I'm taking 5 points here. Got it. Yes, the
I
move,
had to
bro.
trade something. The risk wasn't crazy. That's why I wanted to
Shut
get an
up.
NQ, but my NQ trade would have been down here.
Yeah. At what time was that? 7:30.
7:33 when we got
Yeah.
on. I wasn't.
Too
I was.
fast. Yeah.
I'd rather just up this little risk here.
Yeah. The ES is above Sunday range. We not quite. Or yeah, I think we are in Tuesday now. Let me see.
Mhm.
Nah, we're not at Tuesday yet.
Yeah. Damn, we held that Tuesday. Damn,
But
that
you
was.
see, you see that I got the YM on the right. Oh no, hold on. Let me add the YM. Why are I looking at the same thing over here, bro?
Oh, my boy. My boy straight mo ICT. 3 charts. Okay.
Yes, sir, bro.
My boy back in the game. My boy back in the ICT line. 3 charts. Okay. I see you.
You see, why you got the YM leading,
Yeah.
AQ behind, and ES in the middle. You know that go.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Dang. Okay. You got he has on the 5 minutes though. 5 minute chart. That's a 5 minute setup, please. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Let's go. Okay. Damn, Zay. I hate watching chart without me in it. Fuck.
Oh,
I
this one.
ain't mad, bro, because I had a feeling this was gonna happen, but I just needed to get long as soon as the market opened. I'm not about to. I feel
Yeah.
like as soon as I press that damn button, this
You
shit gonna.
think about to hit you with
Well, I'm gonna be a-okay missing it. I ain't mad. Won't get me. That's
My
why I'm like, how the
boy.
hell you get long Quadree? I'm like, where was the entry at? Because I'm sitting here watching it. I'm like,
Well, I trade the the breaker. The
oh,
breaker,
okay.
breaker
All
right
right.
here.
Because I'm sitting here and I'm like, man, where the hell? I would have had to probably, now that I'm thinking about it, as soon as 8 o'clock hit, yeah, as soon as 8 o'clock hit, I could have went long.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I
Yes, sir.
missed that move, so I waited till we got that break on this create that OB right there.
Yeah.
So
Clean. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Ah, yeah, we coming up on 15 minutes, about to hit 9. We'll wrap this up. I want to see if we're gonna take out this if I look at the 4 hour, see if we can take out this 4 hour high on the
And
ES.
kids getting close to P12 previous day, man.
That'd be 82.25 on the ES is what I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
And if the NQ make the run up to the mid, it'll probably push the ES to that target for sure.
yeah.
You got 8 more points. Come on, E. Come on. Stop playing with me. Yo, we took a trade. Yo, today was funny, bro. Today was so funny. So, Cody in the pack, he got on a tray, bro. That dude so cold blooded, bro. He don't even care, bro. I'm like, here, bro, your stop is right there. He's chilling. I'm like, nah. Let's put this market up, man. I get nervous, bro. Let's go. I started talking to the candles, bro. I'm like, let's go.
There you go. There you go. We actually pushing too. ES
Yeah.
just hit that ES took out that 4 hour high.
But we just Let me go back to the 2 chart. Oh shit.
And then I think the NQ, what was it? 322. Dre, we looking for?
Yo, what's this too?
Yeah, Austin Wild in the chat.
He said I'm so low I grew to it.
Balls.
Oh my god.
That's what I
said. Jay said that's when he got in at 8. Okay, yeah. That was the push that we just was that I was looking for. So the 4-hour crossed the
I saw a tweet from Jay this morning. Jay, you trade the morning too, right? Yes. You say it's a good morning before 8 o'clock, some shit like that this morning. Mm-hmm. Something like in those lanes. That was a trade or something else, bro.
Yo, he was showing me his gamma stuff, bro. That joint crazy, bro. The gamma he be using.
The gamma? Oh yeah.
Next level type shit, bro.
Yeah. Hey. He gotta get up with Jerry, man. Him and Jerry be a nice freaking team. Jerry be on that shit too.
Mm-hmm.
Jerry saw me some shit. I'm like, nah, that shit crazy. I had to send it to say I didn't understand that shit. Like you say, what we doing?
Like, yo, what's this mean? Like, hold up.
Yeah, it made sense though. He played out Friday what he sent though.
It did. And I think we just hit Friday mids, right?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, or we goddamn pretty
good. We close.
The highest, we got 2 ticks away, bro.
Dang.
Yeah, we ain't get there yet.
321, 321.50. Wow. Come on.
Yeah. You already know how it go, bro. The minute we get off this thing, bro,
it's going.
Every time we signed off, it goes crazy.
Hit the chat like, oh snap, bro, we gone.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Quadree, I see you.
Man, I would have went super heavy, bro. If I knew it, I forget that the MES is only $1.25 a tick. I would have went like 20 contracts, bro.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, we about to push all night, bro.
Nah, but Dre, I ain't gonna let you slide. How you feeling, dog?
Feel good.
You let me slide it off.
Shit. Yo, bro, I'm so tight, bro. I'm not even funny, man. I just got regular today. Yesterday I didn't talk to nobody. But fuck out of here. I didn't pick no call.
That's how I'll be feeling, bro.
Hey, look, bro. That Seattle defense, they played lights out, dog.
Too much, bro.
They played lights out, bro. Y'all ain't really had no answer for that blitz. That corner had like 5 sacks, bro.
Bro, as I said, bro, the defense was like that, bro.
Insane.
But what
bro, I didn't even know that guy was the guy from the Cowboys, the lineman.
Yeah, this is first year there.
Bro, he killed us, bro. I'm like, yo, who the hell? I'm like, oh my god, look who it is. I didn't even know that. I'm like, yo,
bro, they did y'all dirty. Well, they did. The coach did a good job. They don't blitz at all season long. If you watch them, they do not blitz. Right. That was the most blitz they did all season combined in all the games.
Bro,
it was like, damn, bro.
It was sad, bro. But I had people over my house. I was on mute, bro. They're like, "You all right?" Nah, bro. Shut up.
Bro, the way I look at it, nobody expected y'all to be there, bro. So that's the win in itself. Y'all got a young quarterback.
Yeah. You know who balled for us? That kid Gonzalez. Yo, he was balling.
Yeah, y'all corner. Yeah, he nice.
He was balling, bro.
Yeah. That game right there, he about to get $50 million a year.
Yeah, he definitely.
Y'all gotta pay him.
He was balling.
Top corner.
Yeah, he like that. He's like that for sure.
No, yeah, he was balling.
He saved like 3 touchdowns.
Dre, we there.
Yeah, we had the P12. Yeah, we had the pre-day mid.
Yeah, we hit it.
Let's hit it.
Yeah, we hit it.
Let's hit it.
All right, so 9 o'clock. Yeah, about to get 9 o'clock. Yeah.
Bro, this trade really $100. I should have went super heavy. I should have went at least 25 on this. I got the NQ one. You know what I mean? The NQ be wilding.
Yankee be different. Sure.
I could take the trade NQ right here though. That was my fault. 309.
So I think what all the previous day mids been hit.
Yeah. TP higher.
Yeah. Wait a minute. He put it in here earlier.
Why you
Austin.
tired, Austin? What you
No,
got?
he got a runner that he's trying to get to. What the hell is that damn comment he put? He put it in. Here you go. I just found it.
Damn, my guy said 10 minutes in. What? Okay. Okay,
Huh?
Jay.
Damn, where is Austin comment at? I
Yeah,
just
Jay
had.
wilding. He got 10 minis.
Oh,
Man,
there
he
you
about to
go.
have me. I'm about to up my side. No diddy. Oh,
Oh,
I'm
he
long
looking for his runner is for 379.5.
379. Okay.
379.5, bro.
Hey. All
yeah.
right.
Be holding out a little bit. Majority of the night.
Yeah, shit.
Hold on. You see this sign? Your maximum position limit has been met. If you like to request an increase, please submit it. They on that BS?
Who's that? MFF?
How many contracts you got?
I'm at
My nigga
16.
says he got
Oh, that's
16.
you at 16.
That's micros though, right? I don't know. This micro.
Might be just your max risk.
I don't got no limits. I just got this account. They just renewed. Yo, they capping, bro. They really capping everybody, bro. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Let me take my L like a man.
Yo. Damn. I gotta wait. Let me see. I could take a
I,
look.
and I knew at least wait till 9 o'clock. We got 8 minutes till 9 o'clock, and still I don't think I'm getting that tonight, man. I might wait for Monday. Catch my boy Bowie.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss tomorrow. I got a couple meetings in the morning. I ain't gonna be able to trade that. I'm mad.
You busy tomorrow morning? Dang.
Yep.
See, I like when we together because we think together, bro. You busy tomorrow, Zaitu? You said
Who?
you you gonna open the room tomorrow?
Yes, I should be able to. I just got to take my daughter to preschool in the morning, but it'll be like 9:45. Actually, what I might do, shit, I don't, CP, NFP is at 8:30, so I might just
Yes.
open it for that, and then I'm gonna have to close it, go take her to school, and then when I come back, I can reopen it. But yeah, because we don't got to leave
I'll
till
be
like
there.
9 something. So
8:30. I'm done with my show, so I'll be there.
all right, that's a bet.
Yeah, I had to pack
That
in.
would be at
I had to pack in the phone, and then I could be there if you gotta go.
yeah, because then we'll have we could see the CPI reaction, or fuck, I keep saying CPI, the NFP reaction.
Yeah. I want to get short.
Don't do it.
I really want to get short here.
Why? Because it hit the mid.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You gonna wait till 9 o'clock?
Yep. I might wait for the swing to form. If you give it to me, I might short this. Yep. Yeah. You gotta be patient. But yeah, we get into these 100 levels to 100 level to the 80 levels and on the Jerry indicator.
I hit that. Nope. Ain't gonna fix it. God dog it.
And we inside 9:30 range already from yesterday. Yeah.
Bruh, I'm so mad.
Why you hit buy?
Nah, I hit the wrong button, and so it messed up how I had my watch list set up. Like you know how like you can sort it by different things.
Yeah.
So I had mine sorted a certain way, but when I accidentally clicked the last button, it just messed my shit all up. Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Crude dollar.
Let's go. Well, that was your target, Cozy?
What is PD? What?
Previous day equilibrium.
Previous day mid, yeah.
Hey, what?
It's talking cold here.
Yeah, boy. Y'all these damn acronyms.
It's talking that's a game that's a show right here, right now. Fuck. Mm. Yeah, you're about to pay, bro. Yeah, man. Here we go. Dang. That's
You went short?
nah. I'm waiting for 9 o'clock.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me go bring you in.
I just don't like it.
Yeah, you gotta wait because I didn't see where it'll be like 1 minute left. Dog, that market will pump up like 5 points. You be like,
Yeah,
what?
pump up like
Yeah. You gotta be patient. Yep.
pump up. You like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, you like, damn. Don't listen. Don't firm run nothing. Let that candle close and
I learned my lesson for sure. Hell yeah.
you ain't lying.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, it's right here, right now. Look. Shit, 50
Yeah,
points left.
I'm telling you, bro. You press that button, they be knowing because you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm.
Let me go look at that. Bro, I still ain't got used to the new daily profiler, dog.
Nah.
I still be using the old one.
Oh, damn. New one's fire, bro. Mm-hmm.
It's just the placing on my screen. Yeah, but I gotta get used to it. Gotta get used to it.
Yes, sir. Mm. Yep. Yeah, we get into this 15 minutes block. Hmm. Yeah, we're not good spot right here. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, we got 9 o'clock
Yeah.
right now. 3, 2, 1, 9 o'clock. See, new 15. Yeah,
They give
I'm.
you a nice little wick.
I got that short.
Oh, you already took it?
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
You got in at 9 or you waited?
I got in at 9.
Got in at 9.
Yeah, I will not let this go
They
red.
started. They started pushing it down like a minute before.
Mm-hmm.
Son of a
Here we
gun.
go. You see, come on, let's go, baby. I'm gonna take my $300 right now.
Cash flow.
Cash flow, baby.
Cash flow.
Yep, I get it nets.
Quick little short.
Yeah.
And on that note, though, that's a perfect way to end the show, bro. It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah. I get it. I get a better entry, and once this 15-minute finish. But that's the move. That's the move I'm looking for.
Yeah, nah, I feel it. So yeah, man, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll see how NFP go. We'll be able to talk about how the market trades tomorrow. Update y'all on any trades we take throughout the day, and then Friday is CPI, man. And then the week will be done. Earnings season is kind of winding down, so ain't too much to really talk about there. And then it's going to kind of really just be like a little. It's gonna be like a little what do you call it? Earnings season hangover. No lack of catalyst period when we get into that back half of February going into early March. So things will be real interesting because we'll see if that seasonal weakness plays out. But fellas, y'all got anything before we roll?
No, stay safe trading, man.
Yeah.
Wait for your setup.
That's facts. That's facts.
Practice patience, guys. Tomorrow, we can see a lot of things tomorrow that we're not used to because we don't get NFP on a Wednesday. So I don't know how the market gonna react to that. But let's
facts. See. It's gonna be a little weird. So be ready. But we'll catch y'all tomorrow, 7:15. We out of here.
Good night.